How to hide reposts on TikTok. First, launch TikTok and make sure that you log in or sign in to your account. Suppose when you tap on the share icon or particular video and then choose the repost option, the video will be reposted. Tap on profile icon in order to hide this repost. You have to simply head towards the three-bar menu icon from top right corner. Choose setting and privacy. Now select privacy option and make sure you turn on the button for private account. So with the private account, only people you approve can view your profile and post as well as your repost. So the other method you can do is simply you can delete the reposted videos. So for that you need to go ahead and open your profile feed and choose the repost icon. And now you can simply open a particular video and then tap on the share icon again and tap on remove repost. In this way, you can easily hide the particular repost by following these two ways. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.